Welcome. We are so excited today. We have some special guests with us. A lot of people hear about our home. The Holding Home is a home for women who struggle with life-controlling issues. Today we are blessed to be working with Feral Cosmetics and their founder.
My vision at Ventura Cosmetics is to change lives one lipstick at a time. And let's have some fun.
I wanna see the light. See the light.
So we're over here today doing makeup for charity with
Ventura Cosmetics, guys. We're in Pasadena, California, so stay tuned for the before and after photos.
Yes, all the makeup artists over here. We're just doing makeup for charity. We did this last year, so it was fun.
It was great.
Yeah.
So tune in, support.
Yeah, no, but their lipsticks are amazing. Like all the.
I'm wearing it right now. I'm wearing RP. I'm wearing RP.
Shit. I want something different. I lost my red lipstick from Feral. I went to the Drake concert and I lost that shit. It's all good. So we're waiting just for the girls to come out. We're gonna do their makeup and then take a picture with like a whole group together. So I think the girls are coming out now. Hey. And last year we had Mel B step by. Remember that? Mel B came by last year. Mel B.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So maybe I don't know who's coming this year. Maybe have someone.
I don't know.
What's his name? Drake.
What is wrong with you? Stop.
Alright. So yeah, I literally had like 2 hours of sleep or something, like 1 hour, so I'm like exhausted. I was working last night, but
Let's go, Boom. Let's get ready.
yeah, we got all of our stuff laid out over here.
Oh, thank you.
We're about to start. So we're doing makeup today for charity with Feral Cosmetics.
In Pasadena, California.
Yes. Got all the makeup artists here. We're ready for the girls to come. And we'll show you guys the afterwards.
And now the second annual beauty makeover that is being hosted. And it's being hosted by Art, and she is the creator and owner of Feral Cosmetics. So let's give them a warm welcome. As well for being here. As you guys were coming in and setting up all your stuff, our girls were looking at you and talking, oh, how beautiful you are. But what you ladies don't know is they were coming in and setting up, they were looking at you and saying how beautiful you are to them. And today they want to be part of bringing out your inner beauty and making you feel as special as you really are. So we are looking forward to doing this going forward every year. We are blessed to have this new partnership, this relationship with Feral Cosmetics. They've also provided lunch for you guys, so remember what we eat like ladies.
Thank you.
Kids, their life and being able to give back with Feral Cosmetics. I hope that we can meet again next year, and I'm willing to do this every single year with all of you beautiful ladies and giving back one lipstick at a time. So now we do have I do have goodie bags for all of you. I know that Greta gave back some eyelashes for all of you, and they're in the bags, and some lipsticks. So I'm going to be giving away all of these items right over here for all you beautiful ladies. Thank you again.
Hey guys, so I just found a couple of different hair tutorials. Put my long ass ponytail in, and I'm off to this red carpet event because it's the first day. It's Monday of the Oscars week, so yeah. So I'll see you guys afterwards. By the way, today's day 2 of my non-drinking month, so yeah, I'm going to an event, not drinking. Just saying. I did it last year and it felt great, so I'm doing it again. So I'll see you guys there.
The scene stay just like that. Okay.
So guys, I just got home, put on my sweats, and I'm about to film a little manicure video, edit a couple of different videos, like a haul I want to get up tomorrow. So I'm just like chilling tonight. I made some tea actually, and I'm gonna just stand. It's actually like got home like before 12, like right like 11:45. I didn't drink tonight because yesterday was my first day that I decided to do this thing that I did last year. I took my inhaler today. I don't know why I can't breathe, but I did this thing last year where I didn't drink for an entire month. It was like right after Avicii died, and I was just like, dude, I thought he'd like, you know, he was the same age as me, so I was like, I thought he died from, you know, the lifestyle and drinking and all that stuff. So I was like so sad that like I was just like, I'm gonna just not drink for like at least a month, and then we'll see how it goes. And then after that, I think I decided to drink on, it was from like April 20th to like May 17th or whenever there was like a YouTuber party of last year. And from there I was just like, oh, you know, I'm just gonna do like a drink or two if I go out, because now I can like control it. But then it just like turns into like more parties, and then, you know, anyways, so now I'm just gonna do that, and I'm gonna do it for a month. So I didn't drink tonight. I just had Charlie's and bowls and tacos. So yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna have a chill night. I'm also gonna clean all of my brushes because I got this thing in the mail. Let me show you. It's like this really cool brush cleaner that I'm gonna try out. I have my brushes to clean because I've been moving and busy, and so I haven't cleaned them in like probably a month or more. And then the second set is the brushes that I used at the Feral Cosmetics, you know, the charity event that we did. So I was doing people's makeup, so I need to wash those brushes as well. So I'm gonna do all of that, and I'll show you guys the process, but I'm really excited to try it out. You basically put the brushes in here and it like spins it for you, so you don't have to do all the work. So hopefully it's not gonna take that long, and you know, I can get to my editing and go to bed, because it's like 12:30 now. I still want to get up early and go to Zumba class, which my friend Jasmine, she's teaching it. I call Jasmine at 9:45. So if I go to bed like 3 or 4, hopefully I can get up at like 9. Yeah, so that's the plan. So yeah, let me show you guys how this works. So I wanted to show you guys what it comes with. So you have the actual spin brush part, the little rubber tubes for each brush. You have the base, and each one of these has the millimeter size on them, which matches the sizes on the base. And then this slot here is where the tool goes, and also that's where it's charged. So I decided to try out 2 different methods. For the first one, I'm just using some dishwash soap and mixing that with water. And also don't forget to plug the base into the USB outlet. And now I'm just taking a dirty brush and dipping it into my mixture, and then I'm using this rubbery base and the tool, and as you can see, it just spins the brush and does all the work for you. Now I'm just taking out the brush and squeezing out any of the dirtiness that's still left in there, and that's when I decided to try out my other method, which is what I usually do when I wash my brushes. Is I'm taking this solid cleanser, and with a little bit of the water that's still in the brush, I'm just using that cleanser, and then again spinning my brush in my mixture. So I found that, of course, my solid cleanser is way stronger, so I just decided to go with that instead of just using the dishwash and water mixture. So that's what I usually would do, is use my solid cleanser and then rinse the brush off, except in this case I don't have to do any of the work, I just hold it. So then I did the rest of my brushes, and of course the face brushes took the longest to wash. Sometimes I had to double wash them if it was like a concealer or foundation or any sort of cream, but these little eye brushes were of course so much easier. But overall, it did take a lot less effort on my part, and it saved me pruny hands. So I'm all finished now. I love how it turned out. All my brushes are clean. It took way less time, and my hands are not tired from just like, you know, holding the soap and like trying to brush them clean. Like it did take, you know, I always double clean them like every time, even though like even if with my hands or with this thing, but this is definitely way less time and way less tiring, so I love it. So overall, guys, the final verdict, I really love this thing. I just rinsed it out. I'm gonna leave it to dry overnight. This is the rest of it, and I don't know, I just really liked it because it saved me time and my hands are not tired, and it saved me wrinkly fingers and also my manicure. So overall, I love this. Alright guys, I'm going to bed. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's be friends on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, all of that. Add me at K3Chocolate. All my stuff will be linked down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.